Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage. What's going on today? Well, I'm in the midst of reinstalling putting in a new headliner in this 68 Mercury, getting it ready for Sykeston. Anyway, what do I got to do to get that done? Oh Lord, what I got to do, you can see up there, I got to take all of that garnish trim, everything off, all the sun visors that are holding up what's left of the old headliner there, the sail panels right there, I got to take them down, and I try to do this all in one piece, or as much as I possibly can. The reason for that is if it comes out in one piece, I've always got a pattern to go off of to make sure that everything goes back in the right way. And this is also, when you're videoing, can help you out, because I can go back and I can rewatch the video on anything I might have missed. Everything up there looks pretty good. I don't think the mice were into it too heavy. The insulation actually looks pretty good up there on the roof. So most all of it's going to get reused. And then what little bit I got to glue down along the edges and then trim it off and all of that stuff. This is kind of a big job, but it's easy to get done. Well, I won't say easy, but it is something you can do at home in your garage. Just take your time, make sure you measure everything before you finalize stuff. And once the glue starts to hit, you got to work fast to get it set. Anyway, stay tuned with this series, and we're going to get that headliner in there. Plus, I'm going to try to reuse a lot of the old material, because I can make that into like the dash pad and stuff like that. It's still in pretty good shape, just the stitching all came undone. So stay tuned in here, and we're going to get that headliner in. We'll catch you on the next one.